everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel and welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you for joining my little YouTube family. It is hot here in Winnipeg today. Yay! So yeah, I don't know what kind of a look this is, you know, on camera, but as it gets hotter out, the less clothes I'm going to be wearing, so beware. Just kidding. Okay, so, few things here. I have a finished object, two finished objects, actually. One is crochet and the other is a paper craft. All right. So, first of all, yesterday when I was doing my video, I was saying that I would like to walk down to the thrift store, and I checked online and they said they were open. Well, I walked down there and it's like about a 10-minute walk. They weren't open. So Dairy Queen is right next door though, and they were open. And they were just allowing one person in at a time, so I had to wait behind two people, which was fine. And I got a mocha mulatte. Have you ever had those? Oh my goodness. Oh, so delicious. So delicious. You drink it like oh my gosh. Where's my mind? Like a milkshake. Anyway, they're just so good. But they make me hyper, I guess. The mocha, probably tons of caffeine. Anywho, don't drink them late at night, that's for sure. Okay, so let me see. Let me show you. The bag that I showed you yesterday was a whip. Well, today it's an FO. This is a bag a day pattern. I'll put the link in the description box again like I did yesterday. This is made with cotton, the Bernat Handicrafter cotton. I made a different handle than Crystal did. She put metal rings and then handles, but I just did mine like this. I have metal rings, but I just didn't bother. So this is a good sized bag. And yeah, I like the way it turned out. Might be a project bag, might be a shopping bag. And I made it big enough that I could put it like over my shoulder, you know. I know you can't see all of it like that. Should I stand up? Got my legs crossed on the chair, but I'll get up. I'll show you. This bag actually is bigger than the one Crystal made. Hers was a chain of 30 and I changed 50. You start at the bottom, make your base and work your way up. So I just think it turned out really nice. You know, next time I go to the thrift store, when they're open, I can take this with me and then just carry everything home in this bag. Okay, so that's that. This is the yarn, Bernat Handicrafter cotton. This is what I have left. Still quite a bit. What color was this again? Oh, what color? Where is it? Oh, Garden Party. Garden Party. I think that must be the color. But anyway, I have this much left. I know there's some comments under my last video. I actually commented or replied back to a couple, but I still need to reply to the rest of them. There were quite a few comments. Thank you guys for that. I really appreciate it. And I always read my comments. I love it when you guys comment. I love when you click the like button. I love when you subscribe and hit the bell. Alrighty. So, yeah, like there's quite a bit left. I'm not sure. Maybe I could make, I don't know, kitchen towel and a dishcloth. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Anyway, that might be another day. I'm not really sure. I am just so excited. I'm waiting for some yarn to arrive that I ordered from Love Crafts. Oh, I can't remember when I ordered it, but oh, I thought it'd be here by now. Actually, I'm expecting a lot of packages in the mail. And I don't know where they are, except I did get my Peachy Cheap order, which I showed you the other day in a video. The paper pad with all the pretty papers. I showed it in more detail in the other video. And it comes with stickers and other things, ephemera and some stamps and things like that. So just showing you that real quickly because I made something using it. Now most of it is in the, well not more, well half the paper is in the pinky shades, and but there's some darker colors like black and white or gray and white. And so I decided to make something and use the darker shades. I followed a tutorial, which I will put the link in the description box. And I really didn't think it would turn out, the first one. I thought, you know, there'd be problems with it because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm just learning this stuff. But it turned out really nice. It's actually a little notebook. So, do I see it or should I? I'll show you. Look at this. It says, "My Happy Life." That's a sticker. And I love this owl. That's the whole reason I ordered these paper crafting products. Okay, paper crafting stuff. Because of this owl, because I am the crafty yarn owl, I can never have enough owls. So yeah, beautiful, eh? I use the darker paper with the stripes of white and the dark gray. And I did a little star type thing there. And I think that turned out really nice. And this paper notebook is actually bigger than the one in the tutorial. Yeah, they're really tiny, but they're so cute, so cute. And so this is the inside, and these are the papers. Because you glue them, you make them in like accordion style. You make one and then you glue the other one to it, glue the other one to it. So you got pages, like 2 pages glued together, or more than 2 because it's all folded. So I ended up with like, well, you can use this page I guess too. And then I ended up with these 2 pages. And then there, and you tuck that back page inside here. And then that's just the back. I left it the way it is. But wow, I am just really impressed with this. So I plan on making more. And see, I did not cut this. This is one of the pages from inside here, and they are 6 by 8. So I didn't cut it at all. I just folded it a few different ways. But I really like it. I really like it. And look, there's some other things in here too. A little fox and owl and little cut-aparts. Yeah. So, and then there's, I showed you these the other day. Little wooden pieces and little shaker pieces, and these are paper clips. Yeah, it's just so much fun. Like if you're new to my channel, I crochet. I make fairy gardens and miniature scenes, shadow box pictures, stuff like that. Now I'm getting more into paper products or paper crafting as well. And I'm getting quite a collection on things. And I actually made a couple of cards that I sent out to people. So yeah, so what else do I have to tell you? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. That's it. I'm just looking at my list. Sorry, anyway, just looking at my list. And what's in your cup today? Coffee. Yeah, I like my coffee. I made something at 10 o'clock or 10:30 this morning. But I wanted to make it for a while. And so this morning, like every morning, I clean the cat's box and I do little, things around the house. And then I'm like, I'm gonna make that right now this morning. So I will show you. Take me a second. Sorry, I'll mother this shot for a second or three. And it's in the fridge and it's, oh gee, of course I hit you. Look. Ooh. That's the peanut butter marshmallow butterscotch thingy. Oh my God, I think it's set. I'm gonna have a piece. So yeah, hubby's gonna be drooling when he gets home. All right, thank you for joining me today. Yeah, if you're new here, I'm a little goofy. I don't understand how people can be serious all the time. It just, like, why are you like that? I just love to laugh and have a good time. And yeah, so thanks for joining me. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.